Hi, this is the video showcasing the Citroen C4 Cactus bulbs front and back. So in the front you've got H7 and H1 and the PY21W for indicators, as you can see on the photo. The indicators we tried were blinking fast, so there's still a problem with the CAN bus, but we'll put a link in the description for the better ones that we have, that hopefully won't have that issue. So the indicators are in the bottom portion of the actual lamp, so you can reach there with your hand and just simply twist them and pull them out, replace them with the LED ones, and a very simple process to replace them. As you can see, they're blinking too fast, so there's still CAN bus problem, but we'll try to get you the link to the better ones, the 100% CAN bus that we have a new type. To replace the H1 bulb, just that's the main beam or dipped beam, you have to first release the spring on the bulb and just simply slide it out, pull it out and replace. These bulbs don't have any problems with CAN bus. We'll give you a link as well, and they work fine most of the time. You have to be careful about the space in the rear, because LED bulbs are always bigger due to the heatsink and the circuit board. So just try to check first, if it's in this car it should be fine because there's a lot of space. Now for the H7 bulbs, this is a bit different. Normally they have like a spring, but these ones are basically twist them to the left, counterclockwise, and pull it out basically there, and then plug out the connector, swap it with the LED and put it back in. These ones have less space, but the bulbs we tried, and they will be in the link as well, they are fine. The cap barely got into place, but it was there. So you can see the bulbs installed nicely. If the beam pattern is not good, then you need to move them around a bit left to right. The beam pattern should be as on the picture here, so you can have a nice visibility in the dark. Now for the rears, you've got 4 bulbs on each side of them, and the only difference is that one side has fog light and the other has a reverse light. The other bulbs are exactly the same. So you need to pull the carpet from the boot first, then unplug the big connector here and unscrew this. There's one screw on the lamp, and basically you've got access to the lamp. You can pull it out and then unclip all the clips around the lamp, and you can open it, and you can see all the bulbs. You'll find the links to all of them. As well, we had the problem with the indicators, but we'll give you a link to a nicer ones. The other ones didn't show any error in the dashboard, so basically they seem to be fine, working fine without any issues.